What if I told you that just one simple drink in the morning could help cleanse your liver, reduce inflammation, boost your digestion, and even give you more energy, all naturally? This isn't a gimmick or a trend. It's a time-tested, science-backed way to support your body from the inside out. Number 1. Problem setup. Every single morning, millions of people wake up feeling tired, bloated, and just not themselves. Their energy is low, their digestion feels off, and they can't figure out why. But what's really happening inside the body? It's overwhelmed. The food we eat carry the toxins we're exposed to daily. They all add up. Your liver, your gut, your immune system. They're working overtime, and instead of healing, the body stays in a state of low-grade inflammation. That's why you feel heavy. That's why you feel stuck. Number 2. Introduce the solution. Now here's something powerful and simple. For centuries, natural healers, holistic doctors, and even ancient cultures have turned to ingredients like lemon, ginger, and apple cider vinegar to support the body's healing systems. These aren't trends, tested remedies. They work with your body, not against it. When combined the right way, they help detox your liver, soothe your gut, and reduce inflammation, naturally and gently. And when taken first thing in the morning, they prepare your body to heal, energize, and function at its best. Number 3. Ingredients plus benefits. Will start with something simple but powerful. Lemon. It's loaded with vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system. But more importantly, it helps alkalize your body, balancing pH levels and reducing acidity. Lemon also stimulates the liver, to flush out built-up toxins and waste. That's your natural detox system being reactivated. Next is ginger, an ancient root known for its anti-inflammatory properties. If you suffer from bloating, joint discomfort, or poor digestion, ginger is your ally. It calms the stomach lining, improves nutrient absorption, and gives your immune system a natural boost. It's like a warm, healing hug for your gut. Now let's talk about apple cider vinegar, especially the kind with the mother in it. ACV helps regulate blood sugar levels, which means fewer crashes and cravings during the day. It also enhances metabolism and supports fat breakdown, making it a natural aid for weight control. And perhaps most importantly, it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, your microbiome. If you'd like to sweeten things naturally, raw honey is more than just flavor. It's rich in antioxidants, so it helps reduce oxidative stress in your body. It's also soothing for the digestive system and has gentle antimicrobial effects. Just a teaspoon can bring comfort, taste, and healing together. Finally, we bring it all together with warm, not hot, water. Why warm? Because it wakes up your digestive system gently. It aids in absorption, hydrates your body after a long night, and helps circulate all these powerful ingredients through your system efficiently. Cold water can shock your gut. Warm water says, it's time to heal. Number 4. Preparation instructions. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best results. Give clear, step-by-step instructions for preparing the drink. 1. Squeeze half a lemon into a cup. 2. Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 3. Add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar with the mother. 4. Optional, 1 teaspoon raw honey. 5. Add warm, not hot water and stir well. Number 5. Why it works. Now let's talk about why this drink works. On a deeper level, your liver is your body's main detox organ, but when it's overworked, it needs support. The lemon and apple cider vinegar in this drink stimulate the liver to flush out toxins more efficiently. That means your body can eliminate waste instead of storing it. Ginger and lemon together help reduce internal inflammation, something that's often at the root of pain, fatigue, and digestive problems. And when inflammation goes down, your body begins to heal naturally. Apple cider vinegar works wonders for the gut microbiome, the community of good bacteria that affects everything from digestion to immunity to mood. When your gut is balanced, your body processes food better, fights off harmful invaders, and even regulates blood sugar more effectively. Add to that the natural hydration and absorption from warm water, and you have a combination that gently kickstarts your metabolism, supports detox, and gives you real, noticeable energy without caffeine or chemicals. Number 6. Emotional close. Your body is truly incredible. Every single day, it's working to repair, to cleanse, and to restore balance. But sometimes it just needs the right support. Something simple and natural to give it that extra push. This drink is more than just ingredients. It's a signal to your body that you're ready to heal, that you're ready to feel energized, focused, and alive again. And when you do this consistently, you'll feel the change, not just in your body, but in your mind and spirit too. You deserve to feel well. Number 7. Call to action. I want to encourage you. Try this for just 7 days. Every morning, before anything else, give your body this healing gift. You might be surprised at how much lighter, clearer, and more energized you feel. If this helped you, please share it with someone you love. A simple act of kindness can change someone's health. And don't forget to subscribe, because here, we're building a community focused on natural healing, self-care, and wellness, one step at a time.